Hey you guys, today I decided I'd show you how I secure my squishies, so let's get right to it. Of course, I start by putting the balls in the squishy. Just make sure I'm getting it all in there. Pause. Then right here, I'm just gonna start putting my finger in there to make sure it's all in there. Then I got my tray of beads because I didn't have enough beads to my liking in the ball, so I just added a few more. Gonna push it down again, but with a spoon this time. Now I'm just putting my finger in there to make sure the lip isn't showing. There were too many beads, so I'm taking it out. And this is our cap that we're going to be using to secure it. I have my Gorilla Glue. Right here, I'm just taking my time with this, making sure that the glue is all around the cap. I'm using my tweezers so I don't get too much glue on my gloves. Yes, I had to butt my head up in here because I had to lock in. Now that the glue is nice and lathered, I'm going to just plop it on there with my tweezers. I started securing it with my finger. Then I'll just top it off with a spoon. Right here, I'm just really scraping off that unnecessary excess glue. And then securing it one last time. Now, after I secure it, I make sure to let it sit for at least 2 hours. Then I'll check on it. If it's still sticky, another hour. And then eventually you can play with it. And then that concludes this video, you guys. I hope this was helpful, gave you a little bit of insight on how I do this whole process. If you guys want to see me play with it, pause, then stay tuned for the next video. Bye guys.